Welcome. In front of me I have the LENOVO Tab One, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this tablet. So, to get started, swipe down from the top right side of the screen, and you'll get the toggles right here. Now if we swipe down once more, it will extend the list of toggles, so once you do that, you should be able to see somewhere the screen recorder toggle. For me, it's right over here. Now if you don't see it anywhere, and when you scroll down, you might need to add it yourself, and you can do so by clicking right here on this box with like a pen in it, and swipe down. You can see right here where it says hold and drag to add a tile. All of these are turned off, so they don't show up. So we can grab one of them, for instance, drag it over here, drop it, and when you go back, you should have access to it somewhere in the list, as you can see right here. Now, anyway, once you find the screen recorder, you can tap on it, and it will bring up this overlay right here, which will not show up on the recording. You can move this around if it interrupts whatever you're trying to press there. You can also navigate into the settings from here, which is pretty limited. We have the resolution, which is labeled as high, medium, and low. Great way to define resolution, wow. And then we have sound. So we have no sound, equipment sound, which I presume that you mean by the device basically, microphone, and then basically device plus mic. And lastly, we have display touch position, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the screen. I'll turn it on just so you can see how that looks like. Now, once we start recording, which we'll need to press on the circle there, as you can see, it tells us the counter right now, so how long we've been recording, and whatever you'll do right now will be recorded for the most part. Now I'm going to obviously be looking for the things that I cannot record, just so I can kind of showcase this, but looks like this device doesn't come with any of the garbage apps that wouldn't allow me to record them. So let's just open up something like settings. So I'm just kind of fiddling around so there's something to show on the recording. Once you're done, you can click right here on this circle. This will save the screen recording to your Photos application. I'm pretty sure it should be here. Am I just blind? Looks like I am. Oh, there we go. Photos. So, in Photos, typically your screen recording would, I believe, show up in here, but there might be some settings changed. And in any case, if it doesn't show up here, you can navigate to Collections, right here, and look for, let's try screenshots. Nope. Okay, so I know where it's going to be. It's going to be on this device probably, and screen recorder. There we go. This typically wouldn't be located on this device. It would actually be somewhere right here, so you could click on it. But someone here changes that, so it's not. So anyway, once you find the folder, screen recorder folder or album, you can now click on recording to view it. And you should also be able to, there we go, see the little dot right here on the screen. Moves relatively quickly, but that's where my finger was pressing the screen. Now, before I mentioned that you won't be able to record all the applications, so there are some applications that will block the screen recorder. Those applications are primarily ones that require subscriptions. Now, they do it without your permission, without your knowledge too, for the most part. So it is pretty annoying if you're planning to record some kind of application and you're not sure if you can or cannot. I recommend just starting the recording, opening it up briefly, closing it up, and stopping the recording, and see if you have on a recording normal visible recording or just a black screen whenever you open up that application. If you have a black screen, that just means that you can't record this application. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.